dictate this one, have been contexted when Abdul Kalam asked his father to go out of the town. Contacted नहीं, contexted किसके रेफरेंस में कही गई हैं, किस कब कही गई हैं. ओके, contexted when Abdul Kalam asked his father to go out of the town for further studies. First answer, someone was asking to these to APJ Abdul Kalam, and the second part of this question is his father quotes them in this extract. His father quotes them in this extract. Last question. What opinion do you form about Kalam's father from these lines? Arpita, again and again, beta. To APJ Abdul Kalam, this is the first answer. His father quotes them in this extract. His father quotes them in this extract. Written? Quotes them. Quotes nahi. Quotes. Quotes. Quotes them. Next question. Kalam's father. Kalam's quotes. Quotes. Kalam's father, yes, this is the spelling, was a broad-minded person who wants his son to grow up. Kalam's father was a broad-minded person who wants his son to grow up. Written? I am sending it to you all. Write it down. No, don't submit the notebooks right now. Still, I'll let you know whatever the situation is. Okay. Third one. Beta, I've dictated the third one also. Where are you, Arpita? I've dictated. Everyone has written. Is there anyone who has not written the third one? See, no, ma'am. No one is there. Everyone has written, beta. Come up to the evaluation test 4. Who is he here? He invited to me his home for a meal. His wife was horrified. Who was he? Tell me. Yes, Abdul Kalam, science teacher. Write it down. Yes, Abdul Kalam, science teacher. Next. Question is, why did the narrator, science teacher, invite the narrator to his home? Why he invites him? Fayed Ahmed has sent the answer. Now Arpit and Arpita Sharma, whosoever it is, whom I have not written, they can write up. This is the third answer of your evaluation test 3. Now next question for the evaluation test 4. Why did the narrator, science teacher, invite the narrator to his home? Why he did so? For meal, yes. He invited him for a meal. Write it down. He invited him for a meal. Next. What quality of woman is revealed in these lines? She was a conservative, orthodox woman. Write it down. She was a where was the narrator supposed to have his meal? Uh, okay, sorry, third was left to the narrator was supposed to have his meal in kitchen. For meal, better the narrator invited the narrator, science teacher invited the narrator for a meal. Okay. Fourth, I have sent it to you. Fourth, I am sending it. Okay, wait. What quality of woman? Yes, she was a conservative, orthodox woman. Write it down. She was a conservative, orthodox woman. Vanshika, what query you have sent it right now? Vanshika, what query you have sent right now on the portal? Beta, what problem you are having? When I visited his house, next question, when I visited his, the extract, this is second extract, when I visited his house, the next week, Shivasu Subramania, Iyer's wife, took me inside her kitchen and served me food with her own hands. Now, who is I in this extract? Whose house did he visit? Tell me. I refer to the narrator, that is APJ Abdul Kalam. Whose house did he visit? He visited his science teacher's house. You can write it down. No, not Ramananda Shastri. He visited his science teacher's house. Why he visited this house? As Shivashu Subramania Iyer, as Shivash Subramania Iyer has invited him again for lunch. Okay. Why did Iyer's wife serve food with her own hands? Why did she serve food with her own hands? Because, you can write it down, because her perspective has changed towards Abdul Kalam. What was her attitude during the narrator's earlier visit to her? What was her attitude? Students, tell me, what was her attitude? She seems to be horrified and conservative. Yes, and refused to serve her in the kitchen. So we have to tell that attitude, how the attitude was. She seemed to be horrified and conservative. No, you don't have to write down in fair notebook and all. It is means you have written in this book. It's enough. Okay. Okay. Now this chapter is completed. Uh, integrated grammar book. Are you all having with yourself? Integrated grammar. So take out the page number 130. Page number 130. Nandini, I'll let you know tomorrow. Okay, beta? Whatever you are asking, I'll let you know tomorrow. Please open up the page number 130, students. Yes. Extract 3. Tea is believed dash brought to Europe by the Dutch. To B. Very good. So the first answer is B. B-E-B. To be brought up by the Dutch. Today from the remotest corner of Ladakh dash Buckingham Place, tea is synonymous. What will be the next question? So for the next fill up, what will be the answer? Today from the remotest corner of Ladakh at, at, yes, correct. Tea is synonymous dash cheer. Tea is synonymous to cheer. Very good. Today many varieties of tea and tea brands dash available in the market are available. Tea dash several stimulants. Tea dash several stimulants. Tea, what will be coming? Contains. Very good. Tea contains various stimulants. Next, more dash fourth extract. Come to that fourth passage. More dash 1,200 people were killed. More than 4,400 injured dash over 9 people fled their homes in the war. What will be the next? What is the answer for next? And over. And over. C. What is the answer for C? Yes. Between. Between Lebanon and Israel in 2006. Dash estimated 30,000 housing units were destroyed or badly damaged. So estimated, yes. Correct. Very good. Students, please tally up your answers. Fourth passage. First answer is than. After that, and. Next is between. After that, fourth D part is in. And the last one is so. Page number is 130, Raguraj. E. So. Arpit Sharma, answer of E is so. Air pollution not only affects humans, it also it also hit bad impacts on the trees, houses, and archaeological structures as well. The Taj Mahal, what will be the next? The Taj Mahal, a historical monument, faces a grave danger because 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 dash the air pollution. What is going to come? Because of the air pollution, it is a pity that little has been done to abate air pollution. We should remember. Students, the time is getting out, so we have to finish up this class right now. Tomorrow we'll be doing the, so now tomorrow I'm not having any of the period. Um, from Monday we'll be doing this integrated exercise only. Okay? Abhay, you can ask me on Monday, okay?